अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आदाब। मैं हूँ सानिया खातून। स्वागत करती हूँ आपका एमयू टीवी की खास प्रोग्राम एकेडमिक न्यूज़ में। तो आज हम बात करेंगे एकेडमिक न्यूज़ में फैकल्टी ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज़ एंड रिसर्च सेंटर के एमबीए कोर्स की, जो अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी के वेरी वेल नोन कोर्स है और जहाँ के तलबा ने कई ऊंची उड़ानें भरी है। एमबीए के कॉमन एंट्रेंस पेपर की तैयारी कैसे कर सकते हैं और इससे हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं। कोर्स ऑफ स्टडी MBA IB MBA इस्लामिक बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस। कोर्स डिटेल्स, इस कोर्स का ड्यूरेशन 2 साल का होता है और इसमें 4 सेमेस्टर होते हैं। तकरीबन 20 सीट्स होती हैं। क्वालिफाइंग एग्जामिनेशंस एडमिशन लेने के लिए किसी भी बैचलर डिग्री से आप इस कोर्स को कर सकते हैं। साथ में 50% मार्क्स का होना ज़रूरी है। इसका सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस एडमिशन टेस्ट से होता है, जिसमें रिटन टेस्ट 100 मार्क्स का होता है। इंटरव्यू, एप्टीट्यूड, असेसमेंट, ग्रुप डिस्कशन 25 मार्क्स का होता है। इसके एंट्रेंस में 100 ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस आते हैं जो 100 मार्क्स के होते हैं। इसके हर सेक्शन में 25 मार्क्स होते हैं। फर्स्ट, इन्वायरमेंटल अवेयरनेस 25 मार्क्स। सेकेंड, क्वांटिटेटिव एंड न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी 25 मार्क्स। थर्ड, कम्प्रिहेंशन एंड वर्बल एबिलिटी 20 मार्क्स। फोर्थ, रीजनिंग एंड इंटेलिजेंस 15 मार्क्स। फिफ्थ, डेटा एनालिसिस एंड इंटरप्रिटेशन 15 मार्क्स रहता है। एडमिशन टेस्ट शैल बी हेल्ड अलीगढ़ यूपी, कोलकाता वेस्ट बंगाल, कोझिकोड केरला। नोट, इसमें MBA IB MBA इस्लामिक बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस, इन सब का कंबाइंड एडमिशन टेस्ट होता है। मैंने आपको इसके बारे में बता दिया है। आपको इससे अंदाज़ा हो गया होगा कि इसकी तैयारी कैसे करनी है। तो आइए चलते हैं डीन एंड चेयरपर्सन प्रोफेसर आयशा फारूकी मैम के पास, जहां हम जानेंगे डिपार्टमेंट की कुछ अधिक जानकारी।
Thank you, Salman, for being here. I would like to draw some insights into the development of the department as well as the faculty. So, before starting that, let me tell you that I am Professor Aisha Farooq, presently Dean, Faculty of Management Studies and Research, and with the experience of 25 years in the business administration. So, I would like to tell you that management education in India started in late 60s, and our department is one of the pioneer institute in management education. It was started in 1972, where a part-time 3 years program was started, and later on it was converted into a full-time 2 years program. After that, in 1996, and it was carved out of the Department of Commerce and Faculty of Commerce to cater to the research needs of management department. Then another milestone with respect to our infrastructure we had in 2017, where when we shifted to the present building, that is the state of the art building known as Frank and Debbie Islam Management Complex. This complex is sponsored by primarily Dr. Frank Islam, who contributed $2 million USD in 2015. Apart from that, many other well-wishers and alumni of the department and AMU, say for example, Mr. Amir Ahmed, who was the first person to donate 1 crore rupees INR in 2008. So the idea to establish or have a new building which is state of the art was conceptualized in that time, that in the World Alumni Summit, which was held in 2008. So the idea was developed, and later on we were fortunate enough to move to this new state of the art building. So this is something related to our infrastructure. Now, with respect to the academics, we had many milestones over a period of nearly 40 years of management education in Aligarh. So, we offer many specializations. Say for example, financial management. In the area of finance, we provide the specialization. In the area of marketing, in the area of operations, human resource management, and general management, as well as HROB. So these are few specializations which are provided to MBA students, MBA IB students, MBA HA students, and MBA IBF students. So with these specializations and with these courses, we have a vast pool of resources which we are providing to the corporate world, as well as we develop entrepreneurs also, who later on take up their own activities, go for the startups, and do the things through which they contribute to the society also. And the third and important thing is, many students, after completing their MBA programs or other courses, go for administrative services. Some may go for further education in the other countries, in foreign countries, and a few want to fulfill their or listen to their academic needs, academic instincts, we can say, and then they go for the PhD program also. So, in a nutshell, I can tell you that we are running MBA, MBA HA, MBA IBF. These two are the recent new programs which were started in 2019, and MBA IB, as well as the PhD program for all the students. So I'll say, when the university was started by Janab Sir Syed Ahmad Khan Sahab, so his idea was that education should be uh, easily accessible to everyone. The same idea was working behind this also when we were discussing and incorporating changes in our MOUs, in our ordinances, that easy access to education, management education has to be there, and it has to be sustainable. So these three centers were started, and in those three centers we are offering MBA program only.
After securing an MBA degree, you can explore a wide range of career opportunities across various fields like information technology, healthcare administration, business operations, marketing management, logistics management, financial management, human resources management, consulting, entrepreneurship, टीचिंग एंड परसुइंग PhD। दोस्तों, ये था MBA मास्टर ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और फ्यूचर नोटिफिकेशन के लिए सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।